The brewers must be connected to a cold water system with an operating pressure between 20 and 90 psi from a quarter-inch or larger supply line. A shutoff valve should be present between the water supply and machine. The water connections are at the lower rear of the machine. Flush the water line, then securely attach the line to the inlet fitting at the rear of the brewer. Make sure that the water contains no chlorine, a hardness level of 3 to 6 grains, and a water filtration system is in place. BUN requires that an electrician provide electrical service as specified. Using a voltmeter, check the voltage and color coding of each conductor at the electrical source. Connect the dispenser to the power source. Whenever you need to replace plumbing, be sure that the dispenser is disconnected from any power source. To set up the Crescendo, begin by removing the drip tray and cover from the parts box. Assemble the cover to the drip tray, then slide it under the front door of the machine, engaging the rear of the drip tray into the opening in the lower front of the machine. Next, remove the espresso brew group from the parts box and align the keyed side of the brew tube fitting with the mating hole in the brew group. Insert the fitting into the mating hole in the group head, then rotate the fitting 180 degrees. Place the groove on the lower front of the group head over the mounting bar on the espresso drive. Then rotate the top of the group head toward the rear of the machine until it snaps into place. Insert the group head tube into the quick connect fitting on the bottom of the espresso drive and ensure that the tube is fully inserted. Then slide the red lock to the right until it snaps into place. Now remove the bean hopper from the parts box and align the bean hopper so that the collar at the bottom of the bean hopper engages the opening in the grinder. When the hopper is in place on the grinder, pull the hopper gate all the way forward to allow the beans to flow into the grinder. Now that the plumbing is hooked up and the Sure immersion is plugged in, the dispenser is ready for the initial fill and heat.